Hey, hello and welcome to my channel Cat Whiskas. Today I will show you how to make a homemade mask. No sew, no needles, no scissors. You don't need basically anything but one piece of bandana and 2 pieces of hair elastics. It's really easy to make. Just make sure you have to wash it after one use. And I know a lot of people right now looking for masks and can't find or can get a hold of them. So that is what you can make in the meantime. And again, it's very, very easy. So stay with me and let's begin. I have a different colors of bandanas. So which one do you like more? Which is your color? Mine is orange. Ta-da! Today I'm gonna make the orange one. Okay, so basically all we have to do, this is the size of my bandana. Here we go. So we have to fold it. It's already folded in half. So we have to fold one more time this side and another side up here, and then our elastics goes one on each side. Here we go, one up here and one up there. Okay. Everything is matching like this, but it's not necessarily, okay? You can have different colors. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it one more time and we're gonna hide this left end in the right side up here, this way. You see that? Just fold it in and basically voila, like this. It's going behind our ears, and voila, our mask is ready. Guys, what do you think? Just put it on behind your ears and you can wear it, but again, make sure you wash it after each use. And voila, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it, and thank you for watching. Have a good day and stay safe and healthy.